Hi everyone. In our community forest, healthy soil is important to ensure we have thriving plants and trees. And today there is no one better to share with you on making healthy soil than our Compost Gourmet.
Welcome everyone, I am the Compost Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to turn what some people say is trash into treasure. First of all, to make compost, we need our ingredients. Let's look at what I have here. A big bowl of garden clippings and food waste. These yard clippings and food scraps are usually considered trash that we just throw away in the green bin, but not in my kitchen. I also have a bowl of dried leaves, some wood chips, and some sticks. All of these things are made by nature, which means they can be turned into something good for the soil, or what I call compost. Compost can be added to soil and used to grow food, flowers, and plants. Instead of just going into the trash, it goes into the garden. We're going to mix together all of these ingredients like a cook. The perfect recipe calls for an equal mix of nitrogen and carbon. For our recipe, we're going to call the nitrogen-rich ingredients greens. And the green ingredients are usually wet, like grass clippings and food scraps or coffee grounds. And yeah, so we're just going to get all of that in our bowl here, and we call our carbon-rich ingredients browns. The brown ingredients are usually dry, like fallen leaves or branches. We got some wood chips and sticks. All right, and now we add some water. And we keep on mixing. Now we need to put it in the oven. Not a kitchen oven. We need to put it in a compost bin. A compost bin works like an oven. As microorganisms, bacteria, fungi that are too tiny to see, worms and insects, they work so hard to chew up this mixture, and that the compost bin gets super hot inside. In about 2 to 3 months, we will have our finished product. Healthy compost for the soil. I prepared one earlier just for this. Here is a sample of the healthy compost. Smells so good. And all my plants are gonna be so happy. Tune in next time to learn more about composting and the steps to take so you can be your own compost gourmet.